Hello and welcome to Yosemite and my National Park series. Ann Swanson here, Tai Chi for Health instructor. This chair practice is perfect for seniors or anyone needing to adapt seated. So come on up to the screen and let YouTube know that you want more practices like this by clicking that like button. And make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on. Then you can make this full screen and take a seat. Sit tall. Slow-mo, floating your arms up halfway, shoulder height. Turn your palms toward you and bring the hands back and the chin back slightly. Palms forward, hands and chin down. Slow-mo, floating up, back, palms forward, hands and chin down. Up, back, forward, down. Up, back, forward, down. One more time, smooth and continuous motion. Breathing in and out through the nose. And then you'll float your arms up halfway once again. Sink the hands down. Place the hands on an imaginary table. Look into one palm and turn your head and hand to one side. Slow-mo, coming back to center. Allow the palms to pass by each other. And then turn the head and hand to the other side. Back to center. And other side. And try to keep your shoulders forward. It's just the head and hand turning. Back to center. Palms turn toward each other, pass by each other. Other side. Back to center. Head and hand turn. Center. Head and hand turn. Center. Turn. Center. Turn. Center. Last set on your own. And when you're done, you'll release your hands down and roll your shoulders 5 times forwards. And move the elbows and the whole arm in this process. So you're getting deep in the joint. When you're done with those 5 circles, we'll go 5 times back. And when you're done with that, arms come out and up, drawing 2 circles and coming in through center, down. Inhale, out and up. Exhale, down through center. Inhale, gathering energy. Exhale, let it settle. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then bring your hands into holding a ball about the size of a beach ball. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed down and your elbows are dropped down. Take your top hand and bring it down, palm facing down. The rising hand is going to flip out toward the screen and then up toward the sky. So now we're pressing toward the sky and the earth. Now, flip both hands to turn the hands in toward a ball once again. This time, the other hand ends up on top. So now this new top hand, the palm will go down, straight down. Rising hand flips out and up, press toward the sky and earth. Flip both hands, holding the ball. Top hand down, rising hand flips out and up, press. Flipping both, sink and hold the ball. Rising hand flips out and up, press. Flip both, sink. Rising hand flips, press. Flip both, holding the ball. Rising hand flips, press. Flip both, holding the ball. Rising hand flips, press. Flip both. Rising hand flips, press. Flip both. We're going to do one more set on your own. This is really the hardest one, a little brain workout, but it gets easier as you practice daily. Next time you're holding this ball, make sure it's nice and relaxed, shoulders relaxed, elbows drop down, and take the ball and carry it over to one knee. Then trace around the ball to flip it upside down and carry it over to the other knee. Trace and carry. Trace and carry. Trace and carry. Flip that ball. Carry over. Flip the ball. Carry. Flip. Carry. One more set on your own. And then when you're done, release your hands down. Hands are going to go down and they press back. So if you have arms in your chair, they might press against the arms. And if you don't have arms, they might slightly go behind you as one leg lifts up. And then lift the arms forward and place the foot down. We'll bring the arms back behind us, lift the other leg up as high as you want or low. It could barely lift at all, that's fine. Arms up, leg down. Arms down, other leg up, sitting tall. Arms up, leg down. Arms down, other leg up. Arms up, leg down. Arms down, 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 leg up. Arms up, leg down. Last set, see if you can lift a little higher, but still sitting tall. And then come on back to center and bring your hands over to the side, as if you have your hands pressing against the wall on the side, elbows drop down, shoulders relax. Opposite leg lifts up and reaches out, press it out. Come on back to center, glide the hands down and around to the other side. Other leg comes out, press the knee out. Come on back to center, switching sides. Back to center, switching sides. Repeating this. One more set. And then come on back to center and bring your hands into soft fists down in your lap, palms facing up. We're going to kick one leg and punch the opposite arm. And then come on back to center. Kick the other leg as you punch the opposite arm, so crisscross. You can choose how high you kick. It could be a little lower or all the way up. And then we'll switch other side. Once again, kicking and punching. Opposite arm and leg. 2 more sets just like this. Punching and kicking straight forward. And then we'll come back to center, sit tall. Bring one leg forward and flex the foot and then point the foot. Toes up toward the sky and then toes down. Flex, point, 2 more sets. We'll switch sides. Same thing, other side. Flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. 2 more sets. This time, lifting the other leg, and turn the sole of the foot inwards, and then turn the sole of the foot outwards. Very important move that's not done enough. Turn the sole of the foot in and out, in and out. 2 more sets, so you're turning at the ankle and the hip turns a little bit here. And then we'll do the same thing other side, 5 times in and out. This is a really important movement to build agility, strength, flexibility in your ankles so that if you ever trip or fall, you kind of catch yourself and you prevent ankle injury. You can even catch yourself before falling. You want to keep that ankle mobility. When you're done, place the foot down, sit tall, and notice how you feel. Notice the resulting sensations, vibrations, and flows. And thank you so much for joining me for this chair Tai Chi class. And if you love this and you want to get my free Tai Chi starter guide, head to AnnSwansonWellness.com/Tai Chi. I'll also pin the link in the first comments, so go to the comments and let me know how you feel. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much and be well.